Alright, so as I gave you my code about this, so as you can see, this is the path from where you are putting your PDF, and this is the vector store. Yani, in short, we can say this is the vector form of our data. So basically, the processor will use this MPZ file to speed up fast and do the better semantic search. Alright, so let me tell you how this all it works. So as you can see that I have put one query here. This is just a simple console base. In real and professional world, I will provide you complete UI and all the other things, right? So I search here this and I'm running this. When I would run this, so let's wait for the result as it is getting from the hundreds of files. I just put the telco MN rational 31 my 2019 and let's wait for the result from which file it puts. Alright, so it provides a result. Yes, it found from the Telecom Malaysia 2019 as I put the date here, alright, so it understands this is what I am saying. So this is just a basic example. I will sort it out in your way, like you can ask certain question and it will only scrape the particular paragraph. So it would be much more easier and GUI from like on website you can put this your search query like Google and you will have all the result like in this way or whatever visualization you want. You can enter your PDF. So this is the thing I simply made for you. Thank you so much.